Welcome to a TSI training video on the port-account respirator fit tester, models 8040 and 8048. This video will walk you through how to set up your port-account for fit testing. There are 3 basic steps. Step 1, connecting the power supply. Plug the power supply connector into the back of the port-account. Connect the power supply plug to a wall outlet, power strip, or extension cord plugged into an electrical outlet. Step 2, connecting the twin tube. The blue and clear twin tube is cut flush on one end and staggered on the other end. The staggered end is the sample end that will connect to the fit test adapter on the respirator. The flush cut ends connect to the port account. The blue tube connects to the blue fitting and the clear tube connects to the silver fitting. Step 3, soaking the wick with alcohol. The port account uses 99.5% reagent grade isopropyl alcohol as its working fluid. Isopropyl alcohol is a flammable liquid. As with any chemical, follow your company's procedures for safe handling and disposal of all chemicals. Refer to the provided safety data sheet for more information. Add 30 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol to the fill capsule. Keeping the level near the fill line will prevent overflow when the wick is inserted. Insert the alcohol cartridge into the fill capsule with alcohol to soak the wick. For a new wick, leave the wick in the alcohol from 1 to 3 minutes to fully soak the wick. You will notice the alcohol level drop as the new wick soaks up alcohol. For an already soaked wick, only 30 seconds to a minute are needed to fully re-soak the wick with alcohol. Here's a good tip. Recharge the wick for 30 seconds to a minute every hour or so of fit testing between tests. After a minute, remove the storage cap from the port account and remove the alcohol cartridge from the fill capsule and insert it into the port account. The storage cap from the port account is placed on the alcohol fill capsule to prevent spills and to preserve the alcohol. Now power on the port account and you're ready to run the daily check. Visit www.tsi.com for more information on the port account respirator fit tester or to check out our other TSI port account training videos. Thank you for watching.
This video will show us how to use the port account's respirator fit tester's real-time fit check mode. Fit check mode allows users to see real-time measurements that detail a respirator's fit without running a full fit test. It can assist with respirator selection, improving staff training, and quickly identifying a better fitting respirator. Fit check mode is able to show you within 30 seconds if a fit test subject has an adequate seal between their respirator and their face. It's a great tool to quickly determine the correct respirator size individuals should use and then train them how to properly don, adjust, and to optimize the fit of their respirator before running a fit test. And if there is any problem with passing the fit test, fit check mode can be used to troubleshoot a failed fit test. Let's see how it works. For this video, we will use a typical N95 filtering facepiece respirator. But this feature can be used in the same way with any half and full face elastomeric respirator or any other filtering facepiece respirators. Our fit test administrator Josh already has the port account instrument set up with the daily check completed. The N95 filtering facepiece respirator has also already been probed in preparation for this demonstration. To locate real-time fit check mode, open the main menu of FitPro Ultra to select and run real-time fit check mode. To begin, you will select a respirator type from the drop-down menu. Double-check to ensure N95 enabled is selected to test a filtering facepiece respirator with less than 99% filtration efficiency. The real-time fit check mode will begin by taking an ambient sample. Then we'll switch over to taking a continuous respirator sample with the fit factor being displayed on the radial gauge to show the fit of the respirator in real time. With this information, you can see if you have selected the correct size respirator, and you can conduct training on how to don the respirator properly. This training will show the person how to correctly and quickly adjust the respirator and optimize the fit for the best protection. For example, with filtering facepiece respirators, properly molding the metal strip over the nose is critical to achieving a good fit. The immediate feedback provided by using real-time fit check mode is a great way to train someone how to shape this nose piece properly. We are looking to achieve a fit factor of greater or equal to 100 with this type of respirator. To show how quickly the port account can detect leakage into the respirator, have the respirator wearer break the sealing surface momentarily with their finger. The real-time fit factor display will show the leak in seconds. By watching the real-time fit factor display on the screen, the wearer can better understand how adjustments and proper wear affect the fit of the respirator. When the fit factor stabilizes above 100, we know we have a good fit and can either proceed with further training or go straight to the fit test. Once respirator fit is optimized to get an acceptable fit factor, and before proceeding to the fit test, have the user remove their respirator, loosen all the straps if you're using an elastomeric respirator, and begin the process of donning the respirator again. Another great use of real-time fit check mode is troubleshooting a failed fit test. If someone fails their fit test, leave the respirator on and switch the port account into real-time fit check mode. Then you can watch the real-time display while you see if any changes or adjustments can be made to make the respirator fit properly. To wrap up, fit check mode is not a substitute for conducting an established fit testing protocol. However, it is a great tool to use to quickly identify what size respirator to use prior to a fit test and to better train new users how to properly adjust their respirator for the best fit and protection. Remember, the port account is not just for a fit test, but also a helpful training tool. Thank you for joining us. For more information on respirator fit testing and the port account fit tester, please see our other videos or visit tsi.com/port account. Today we're going to show you how you can simplify the fit testing process for N95 filtering face pieces and get a better fit and protection for staff using the port account respirator fit tester. Quantitative fit testing with the port account has many advantages over qualitative fit testing methods. The primary advantage is that direct measurements and data are used to help staff achieve the best respirator fit for maximum protection. Secondarily, you can also complete a fit test more easily and in under 2.5 minutes, which is faster than any other test method. The fit test administrator, Josh, will do a demonstration so you can see how simple and quick it is to complete a fit test compared to other similar methods like qualitative fit testing. Paul is wearing a typical N95 filtering face piece respirator. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to assume he has already completed his 5-minute comfort assessment period as required by OSHA for all fit testing protocols, and that he has been instructed on how to perform the fit test exercises. With everything set up, all you need to do is push start. This first step is bending over for 50 seconds. The person being fit tested will bend at the waist, pausing each time at the bottom to take 2 breaths, and then return to standing upright. This motion is then repeated for the duration of the exercise. The reduced number of exercises and total time needed to complete a fit test allows you to increase the number of people you can test in a set time. With the port account fit tester, there's no messing with chemicals or squeezing a nebulizer. The fit test is completely automated and finishes in 2 minutes and 29 seconds. This makes it the fastest OSHA-accepted fit test available. The test will now automatically transition to the second exercise, which is talking for 30 seconds. The talking exercise is meant to measure the respirator's fit during the facial movements made while speaking. We should note there are 2 different exercise protocols, one for filtering face pieces like N95s, and another for full and half-face tight-fitting elastomeric respirators. The only difference is in this second exercise, where talking is replaced with jogging in place for full and half-face elastomeric respirators. The third exercise is head side to side for 30 seconds. The person will alternate looking over each shoulder while pausing to take 2 breaths at each extreme. Unlike with qualitative fit testing methods, port account instruments give you the ability to see real-time data during these exercises. Not only are you better able to ensure respirators fit during these exercises, but the data can also suggest if respirators themselves are performing as expected. The fourth and final exercise is head up and down for 30 seconds, where the person will alternate between looking up and looking down while taking 2 breaths at each extreme. For PortaCount users, if you have not yet updated your software to take advantage of the shortened protocols, the upgrade is available at no cost. For those who don't use a PortaCount instrument, now is the ideal time to switch. The most trusted fit test instrument now allows you to be certain respirators fit and provide protection in less time. At just 2 minutes and 29 seconds, the fit test is now complete, faster than any other OSHA-accepted fit test. Employees can get back to work faster and be more confident in their protection than with any other fit test method. Thank you for joining us. For more information on respirator fit testing and the PortaCount Respirator Fit Tester, see our other videos or visit tsi.com/PortaCount.
Hi, I'm Paul Kulik, Technical Sales Specialist at TSI. Today we're going to show you how OSHA's newly accepted modified CNC protocols save you time and simplify the fit test process. In late September of 2019, OSHA released and accepted for use the newly modified ambient aerosol CNC quantitative protocols. With these modifications, OSHA has reduced the time needed to complete a CNC fit test from over 7 minutes to under 2.5. The new protocols also reduce the number of test exercises from 8 down to 4, making compliance easier to achieve. Today we're going to do a quick demo so you can see how much faster these new protocols are over the previous 8 exercise test. Today we're going to be fit testing Lucy, and for the purpose of this demo we're going to go ahead and assume that she's already completed her 5-minute comfort assessment period, which is a required step for any fit testing method in the US. With everything set up here though, all we have to do is press start, and we'll move now into the first step, which is 50 seconds of bending over. There's a slight change here from our previous protocol. You're supposed to pause while bent over and take 2 breaths and then stand up again and then continue that motion throughout the entire duration of the exercise. We're doing a fit test here on a 4th generation PortaCount. You'll see that the fit test animations detail the exercises within these new protocols, while our real-time gauge gives you a look at how the mask is fitting during movement. When it all comes together, it should help you take full advantage of the device, the interface, and this new protocol so you can get workers back to work quicker, and as the administrator, you can go back to your other job responsibilities too. Now we're on to jogging in place for 30 seconds. This is a new exercise and only applies to half and full face elastomeric respirators. The filtering face piece protocol calls for 30 seconds of talking during this same step. We're on the 3rd step now, which is 30 seconds of head side to side, and Lucy should be pausing when her head is turned all the way to one side, take 2 deep breaths, and then continuing the motion, and then taking another 2 breaths on the other side. Again, you repeat this exercise without stopping for 30 full seconds. We're now on to head up and down with a similar breathing pattern as the head side to side. And what's happening is the PortaCount is able to take a measurement continuously throughout this entire test. So it's always measuring fit, and that's something that's unique to the PortaCount. There are some other technologies out there that use pressure, and with those protocols, the only time you're actually challenging and testing the mask is when your employee is holding still and holding their breath as well. The PortaCount does an excellent job of fully simulating real-world conditions that your workers are wearing their respirators in. And with that, we have a 2-minute and 29-second OSHA-approved fit test done. For PortaCount users, a simple software upgrade is now available at no cost. For those who don't yet use a PortaCount, this is the ideal time to switch. The most trusted fit test is now also the fastest. Thank you for joining us. Please contact your local TSI representative or go to www.tsi.com/fastfit to learn more and update your instrument today.
This video will show how to use real-time fit factor display. Real-time fit factor display puts the PortaCount into direct measurement mode without running fit test exercises. Using this mode, a test subject will know if they have an adequate fit in about 30 seconds. This is a great tool to train a respirator user how to properly adjust a respirator and to help determine what size respirator an individual should use before you start a fit test. Let's take a look at how it works. I have two fit respirators set up, prepared for fit testing. I have a full face respirator with a fit test adapter, and I have an N95 filtering face piece respirator probed for fit testing. Ben will put this on and demonstrate how real-time mode can help learn how to adjust the respirator. So I'm using a PortaCount in standalone mode. I've already completed the daily check. I've connected the clear sample tube to the fit test adapter and the other end of the twin tube to the respirator. From the activity screen, I simply hit real-time and it starts into real-time mode. So as Ben's making his adjustments, the instrument is doing an ambient measurement like in a fit test, and then it's going to measure from inside the respirator, and we'll get a display measured here pretty soon, and we're looking for the display line to stabilize above 500. For this respirator, we want a fit factor of 500. So as Ben has the mask on and adjusted, I've started the real-time mode. It's taking an ambient sample, then it samples from the mask like it does with a fit test, but it's not following a protocol this time. It's just doing it in real time. And our ambient levels are good, and now it's going to take a mask sample, and then it will calculate what a fit factor would be, and it will draw a line on the graph. With this mask, we want a fit factor of 500. It should draw that line above 500, and if we keep that line stabilized above 500, we know we have a good fit. So our line is above 1,000. You see this moving in real time. That shows that the mask he has on fits well and it's properly adjusted. He has a good fit. It's going to do what it's supposed to do. So to demonstrate how quickly this measures, once you break the seal, put your finger through the facepiece seal and break the seal real quick and let go. And we'll watch the screen change within a few seconds. It drops way down and then it will recover. So it shows if there is a leak in the mask, it's going to display that and show that. It drops down and then it comes back quickly. So when we get back above 500, we know we have a good fit. Right now we're at 200, 300, and now we're above 500. So that's how we would use it for fit testing a full face mask. Now let's demonstrate this using an N95 filtering face piece respirator. Again, I connect the clear sample port to the probe on the N95 mask. While Ben puts the mask on, I'm going to check to make sure I have my PortaCount set in N95 enabled mode, and I'm going to hit restart. So it's going to do an ambient count, then it'll start doing a mask count, and it'll start to calculate a fit factor. With this type of mask, we're looking to achieve a fit factor of 100. With these folding filtering face piece masks, properly molding that metal strip over your nose is critical to providing a good fit. So using a tool like the real-time fit factor display is a great way for Ben to learn how to adjust that and make that fit his face the best way possible and get some real-time feedback. So we don't have to take the whole 7 minutes of a fit test. We'll know right away here in a couple seconds whether it fits or not. So we have a line starting out, we have a fit factor of 50, so we know we're not achieving our 100. So as he continues to make adjustments, maybe move the strap up higher on your head and smooth it out over your nose a little bit better. Now that number jumps way up, so the adjustment he just made over his nose jumps way up above 100, and we're maxed out at 200 plus. So he just found a way to make that fit properly. So now we know we have a mask that fits, it's adjusted properly, and now we can go into the fit testing exercises. So I want to emphasize the real-time fit factor mode does not take the place of a fit test. So it doesn't follow the exercises like an OSHA protocol. But as we've shown, using a real-time fit factor display, this is a valuable tool. We can train a new user how to adjust the respirator. In a similar fashion, we can use this to quickly evaluate whether we have the right size for that individual before they take the time of doing a fit test. So another use of this real-time fit factor display is troubleshooting a failed test. So if Ben have just finished a fit test and he failed the fit test, I would have him leave the mask on, we'd go into real-time mode, and watch the screen as we do the same adjustments and make the adjustments on the respirator to understand what has to change to make that respirator fit better. If you can't get a good fit, maybe it's not the right size mask. We'll try a different size mask. So to wrap up, real-time fit factor display, it's not a substitute for a fit test because it doesn't follow the established protocol. The real-time fit factor display is a great tool. It can help identify the right size respirator to use. We can use it to train how to properly adjust this respirator, and it's a good tool to use to troubleshoot a failed fit test. See you next time.
So the next test is talking. So we have a passage that we will read. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act like a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above, and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. There is, according to legend, a volume So the test is complete and the database is saved. Thank you for watching.
When we're together in the same place, amazing things happen. Collaboration, creativity, and innovation. Many of these collaboration efforts take place indoors, and growing evidence suggests that indoor air is far more polluted than outdoor air. With the ongoing global pandemic, it's now more important than before to maintain healthy indoor air quality levels everywhere, as many commercial buildings, offices, and schools must take extra steps to provide a safe indoor environment. Poor indoor air quality is linked to sick building syndrome, decreased productivity, and even increased absenteeism. Monitoring your indoor environment for certain gases and particulate matter like dust or smoke can help you identify risk factors before they become a problem. TSI Incorporated, the global leader in performance measurement solutions, is proud to introduce AirAssure Indoor Air Quality Monitor. This monitor measures factors that are critical to understanding your indoor environment and puts them at your fingertips in real time so you can make decisions that improve the health of your building and get people back inside and rediscover the great indoors. The AirAssure IAQ monitor comes in 3 different models: a 2-gas, 4-gas, and a 6-gas model. All models take less than 10 minutes to install and connect to the cloud, where you can access data and manage your device network, whether that's 1 or 2 monitors or many more around your facility. The 2-gas model measures total volatile organic compounds, carbon dioxide, particulate matter, barometric pressure, temperature, and relative humidity. This model is a great cost-effective solution to measure core IAQ parameters suited for schools, general office spaces, and other indoor public areas. The 4-gas model measures formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, total volatile organic compounds, carbon dioxide, particulate matter, barometric pressure, temperature, and relative humidity. This model is great for offices, classrooms, hallways, maintenance rooms, and chemical storage areas. The 6-gas model measures sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, total volatile organic compounds, carbon dioxide, ozone, particulate matter, barometric pressure, temperature, and relative humidity. Ozone is a potential byproduct of some air cleaning technologies, such as bipolar ionization. This gas may be present in buildings with copier machines. This model is also ideal anywhere nitrogen dioxide may be lurking around, such as industrial facilities with welding fumes or near school entrances with idling vehicles and school buses. Depending on how you use your space and the layout of your building, it may be optimal to deploy a mix of the 2-gas, 4-gas, and 6-gas AirAssure IAQ monitors. Real-time data is at your fingertips when you wirelessly connect your AirAssure IAQ monitors to the TSI Link solution. With this cloud-based platform, you can customize your solution, only receiving the data you need on the device you use most to address your building's specific IAQ concerns. The TSI Link solution lets you view, analyze, and receive guidance to help you make decisions to protect your staff and building occupants, all from the easy-to-use dashboard. You can also set your own alerts for monitoring measurement exceedances or levels of interest. Remotely manage and control all your devices from anywhere and choose to keep your device data private or share it publicly. With the TSI Link solution, it's easy to interpret your air quality data using the world-recognized Environmental Protection Agency Air Quality Index, which tells you if your air quality is good or if air pollutants are reaching unhealthy levels. TSI's AirAssure IAQ monitor is an effortless way to start monitoring indoor air quality with cloud-based sensor technology that informs you of air quality issues in real time. With the AirAssure IAQ monitor, you don't have to wonder about the state of your indoor air quality. To learn more, visit tsi.com/AirAssure.
Welcome to the AirAssure Indoor Air Quality Monitor setup video. In this video, we will walk through how to get your unit up and running, how to connect it with the TSI Link solution, and how to mount your unit onto the wall. First, open the browser on your phone or computer and type in www.tsi.com/TSI Link and click Get Started. After creating or using an existing account, click the plus icon in the lower right-hand corner. Hovering over it will show Activate New Device. Enter the device name and serial number from the back of your device. For the device location, click Use Browser Location, or click the link to convert your address to coordinates that will populate the form. Select your region's plug connector and connect it to the power supply by snapping the plug connector into the adapter. Plug the USB-A cable end into the power supply. Connect the other end of the USB cable to the USB-C port on the bottom of the monitor. For the best results, set up the device before mounting it in a permanent location. However, ensure you have good Wi-Fi strength in the final location. If access to Wi-Fi is not available, data will always be stored in the included micro SD card. First, plug the power adapter into a nearby power outlet. The monitor should turn on as indicated by the pulsing yellow light bar on the front. To connect the monitor to the internet, you first have to connect to the monitor's hotspot. A pulsing yellow light indicates that the monitor is in setup mode as a Wi-Fi hotspot. It will remain in this mode for 60 seconds. If you need more time, simply unplug and plug the monitor back in. Next, locate the label on the back of the monitor. With your phone's camera, scan the QR code at the top of the label to connect to the monitor's Wi-Fi hotspot. You should be prompted to connect to a new Wi-Fi network called AirAssure IAQ 8144XX. If you are not connected automatically, you can still connect manually by searching for Wi-Fi networks and connecting to the one listed as AirAssure IAQ 8144XX. Once connected to the AirAssure IAQ Monitor Wi-Fi network, use your phone's camera again to connect to the setup webpage, or open your phone's browser and enter a URL of 192.168.4.1. You should see a web page like the one below. Select your home or office Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the local Wi-Fi password and click Save. The monitor should automatically power cycle and start again with a pulsing yellow LED light bar. The process of connecting to your local internet will be reflected in the color sequence shown on the right. This may take several minutes. If all connections are made, the LED will be solid blue. You can then connect to your device through TSI Link Solutions at tsi.com/TSI Link. If the LED bar stops at solid white, then review the previous steps and repeat as needed, or see the Getting Help section in the user's manual. The monitor should be located 1.2 to 1.5 meters, or 4 to 5 feet, above the floor to best monitor the breathing zone. Double-sided tape, such as the included 3M command strips, work well and can be removed and repositioned. Use the template and level to mark the screw locations on the wall for mounting. If using a wall plug, install the screws and mount the monitor. If you're using a 24-volt AC plug, start by using the template and level to mark the screw locations on the wall for mounting. Then, mark the cutout area for the wiring feed through the large circle or rectangle. Cut the hole and connect the wiring, 22 to 16 gauge wire or 0.5 to 1.5 millimeters squared, and the 24-volt AC plug. Check the operation of the LEDs. For more information, please visit tsi.com. Thanks for watching.
Air quality varies from street to street and neighborhood to neighborhood and changes throughout the day. What is the air quality like when your kids walk home from school? How does the air quality change during rush hour? Does the nearby manufacturing or shipping facility have any impact on the surrounding community? Is my air quality affected from a wildfire in a different area? From the measurement experts, TSI is proud to introduce Blue Sky Air Quality Monitors. TSI has been in the particle research field for over 50 years and is known for precise measurement tools and pushing the industry toward the future. TSI's Blue Sky Air Quality Monitors calculate the air quality index by measuring PM 2.5 and PM 10 size fractions, temperature, and relative humidity. Blue Sky Air Quality Monitors are easy to use and easy to install yourself. Simply log into the cloud to see all the data in real time. No software or mobile apps required. Setting up multiple Blue Sky Air Quality Monitors allows you to create a network of cloud-based monitors that will supply you with real-time air quality measurements across an entire community. This data will allow you to observe trends over time, which can assist with putting plans in place to help alleviate or counteract these emissions. You choose whether or not your data is visible publicly, or if you want to keep it private. You can also set up custom alerts to inform you if there's an issue with the sensor. These monitors contain TSI-calibrated sensors, providing data that is more accurate than similar monitors on the market. Our sensors are calibrated to the same standards as TSI's other high-quality monitors. TSI is dedicated to providing accurate data to improve people's lives. The data Blue Sky air quality monitors will provide can help shape future city planning. Steps taken today can improve tomorrow's air quality. To learn more, visit tsi.com/bluesky. Pollution can affect air quality across a region or city, but can also be localized to a community, neighborhood, or even a single building. What is the air quality like when your kids walk home from school? How does the air quality change during rush hour? Does the nearby manufacturing or shipping facility have any impact on the surrounding community? Is my air quality affected from a wildfire in a different area? TSI is proud to introduce the new Blue Sky air quality monitors, now available in 2 models to meet your needs. TSI has been in the particle research field for over 50 years and is known for precise measurement tools and pushing the industry toward the future. TSI's Blue Sky air quality monitors calculate the air quality index by measuring PM 2.5 and PM 10 size fractions, relative humidity, temperature, barometric pressure, ozone, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide, all in real time with TSI Link solutions. Blue Sky air quality monitors are easy to use and easy to install yourself. Simply log into the cloud to see all the data instantaneously. No software downloads or mobile apps required. Setting up multiple Blue Sky air quality monitors allows you to create a network of cloud-based monitors that will supply you with real-time air quality measurements across an entire community. This data will allow you to observe trends over time, which can assist with putting plans in place to help alleviate or counteract these emissions. You choose whether or not your data is visible publicly, or if you want to keep it private. You can also set up custom alerts to inform you if there's an issue with the sensor. These monitors contain TSI calibrated sensors, providing data that is more accurate than similar monitors on the market. Our sensors are calibrated to the same standards as TSI's other high-quality monitors. TSI is dedicated to providing accurate data to improve people's lives. The data Blue Sky air quality monitors will provide can help shape future city planning. Steps taken today can improve tomorrow's air quality.
This video will walk you through setting up the Blue Sky air quality monitor. First, connect the USB end of the power supply to the Blue Sky monitor. Next, plug the power supply into a power outlet. To configure the Blue Sky wireless settings, slide the switch towards the settings gear icon. The status LED light will flash 1 time per second. To access your Blue Sky monitor, open your computer's or mobile device's wireless settings. Connect to the Blue Sky network. Enter the unique password provided on the Blue Sky label. This password is labeled as PWD. To connect your Blue Sky monitor to a Wi-Fi network, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and type 192.168.4.1 into the URL address field. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi network name and your password and hit save. Move the switch away from the settings gear icon to close the configuration settings. Wait 60 seconds. The Blue Sky monitor is successfully connected to the cloud when the status LED light flashes once every 2 seconds. If the LED light is flashing twice per second, an incorrect Wi-Fi network name or password has been entered. If the LED light is flashing 3 times per second, there is no internet connection. To install the Blue Sky monitor, start by inserting the mounting bracket into the base of the monitor. Secure the mounting bracket to the monitor with the small mounting screw. To install on a wall, fence, or wooden board, use screws to secure the mounting bracket to the surface. To install the monitor on a pole, feed the zip tie through the slots on the bracket and slip the USB cord between the zip tie and bracket to secure. Plug the power supply into a power outlet. Visit tsilink.com to sign up for an account and register your product using the serial number. Thank you for watching. Welcome to TSI Link. Today we're going to walk through how to set up an alert with notifications sent to your phone and email address. First, upon locating your device, click on the ellipsis for an action dropdown. Click on Alert Setup and Add to create a new alert. This will pop up a modal window that allows you to create a customized alert. Add your title, confirm your sensor, and your alert level. You'll have 5 different condition options to select from, which pull from the value you enter in your alert threshold. The frequency of alerts allows you to enable how often you are notified when the conditions are met. Next, to send notifications to your phone or email, you first need to enable your information through an opt-in process. Click Enable Notifications, and you'll be taken to our legal disclaimer. After clicking Continue, you'll have the option of opting in your phone and/or email. Once you save your actions, you'll see a summary of changes. If you opted into SMS text messages, you will need to reply to the opt-in message Yes before receiving any alerts on your phone. Clicking Done will bring you back to the Alert Setup modal, where you'll now have the option of sending notifications to your phone or email. You also have the option to add a message to your alerts. Saving your alert will enable notifications to be sent in the app and to your designated phone or email once the air quality condition has been met. For more information or to create a free account, visit www.tsilink.com. TSI Incorporated, the global leader in performance measurement solutions, is enhancing the way our customers interact with our continuous monitoring solutions through the TSI Link Data Analyzer, a Microsoft Excel add-in that enables users to easily visualize air quality data for further analysis. Our solution removes manual intervention, allowing integration with business intelligence and analytic tools. Customers have already begun benefiting from our API solutions through the ease of onboarding, connectivity, aggregation, and visualization of data to dramatically decrease time spent in the field and time spent analyzing data. The TSI Link Data Analyzer offers a quick and convenient way to create customized reports within Microsoft Excel. With these rich data visualization tools, customers can quickly identify problems, understand root causes, and take corrective actions. Learn more at tsi.com/TSI-link-API.